Y'all, it's 12 o'clock at night, and you know Shaniqua over here in the cut hiding from the camera. She finna coach me while I put this wig on with no glue. I'm finna show her how to put this wig on glueless. Real dusty over here. So stay tuned, okay? Okay. So what came in the box? Oh shoot, I'm dropping stuff. We got some clip-on nails, quick day nails, fast day nails. We got some eyelashes. I got one of these eyelashes on, y'all. The ones at the bottom. Don't look at my black bag. I got them on right now. We got little, what's these called? It's a phone thing, I think. Them things you put on your iPhone. We got a scrunchie, and I dropped something. Oh, these cute earrings. I wear these too. I got a pack of these already too. They send y'all cute stuff, y'all. So tune in. And the wig, of course, it's pre-styled. Taking at the curls. I'm finna show them. And it coming in net, y'all, so it's already styled. No plucking, no nothing. The net stuck. Real bouncy. Ugh. Real bouncy, long. Long. Nice lace. Just throw it on. Okay, y'all, we did install the wig glueless at home, and we decided not to go with that. I didn't like the way the video turned out, so we're at the shop and we're gonna install it with actual glue, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks without any glue on it. It looks like supernatural. But anyway, I'm just putting a little bit of concealer around the edges. This is really an unnecessary step to me that I don't think we need anymore, but I'm just doing it for the sake of the video so that you can see how natural the wig looks without any glue on it. And I'm just putting the elastic band on first, and I'm just gonna slide the wig on. This wig can be worn totally glueless. You may need a little spray on the little ear tab part, but other than that, it's secure and tight enough where you can wear it. Look at that. That look like her own scalp. Especially if you already have thick hair like this wig is. And then you can see I'm lifting it up, sticking the thing under there. Of course, it's not practical for us to do it glueless today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some ghost bond. I'm gonna do 3 layers, my normal amount of applications. Just gonna let it dry till it's clear. You want to do about that much, and then just spread it super thin. If your cap is lifting up, here's a good time to like get it laid back down to the skin. And that's what I did there. And I'm just using the end of the rat tail comb, the metal one, to just spread this layer of glue as thin as possible. So that's what I'm doing right here, y'all. And y'all just want to do this 3 times. You want to let it dry for like 30 to 90 seconds, I think it is. And then you don't have to let it get completely clear, but you want it to get as dry as possible. So without it being completely dry, I mean. And so that's how it'll look. It'll be clear once you get ready to apply the wig. Once you get ready to lay the wig down, it'll be more clear. Okay, so here I'm just taking the wig and I put it on with the elastic band first, and then I'm gluing this down. So you just want to be careful with the glue before you actually lay it down, get it to where you want it to be. But I put the elastic band on first, and then I just kind of adjusted the wig to around the hairline and the glue. And the wig is looking good already. It's not even completely tacked down in the front. Just going through, and I'm just gonna trim a little bit of the lace. A little bit of the lace in the front, and also a little bit on the ear tabs. We had already previously cut this wig because we did install it before, but I just didn't like the way the video turned out. So I'm just going through it. I'm prepping it, getting it the way I want it to be. Also, I'm just putting a little dot of the ghost bond on my back of my hand so that I can lift those little extra pieces up that didn't get glue on them, and put glue in right up under those little pieces so that I can make sure everything is laid and melted. But y'all can see this thing is already like coming together. It looks really cute already, and nothing is done with it. You can definitely do this wig without any baby hairs, as you can see. I would say I should have plucked it a little bit more, but she had somewhere to go, so we was just trying to get it installed because I owed this video to Luvme for so long. But I was trying to get the channel rebranded and get some little intro, outro, and banner, all that stuff for the channel. So that's what I've been doing, trying to rebrand us, child. Y'all see I changed the name. It's not Hairstyles by Shaniqua anymore. It's Shaniqua Shantae, because it's going to be more stuff on here, stuff about my surgery, stuff about just lifestyle, daily living, luxury purchases, diet, weight loss, weight gain, everything that's going on in my life. So I didn't want to just leave it to just hair, even though that's going to be the bulk of the channel. But I'm definitely going to have my surgery stuff on her next, so y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm just cutting the little extra lace that we didn't get off the side, just making sure it fits perfectly. Then I'm just parting out the areas where her baby hair and sideburns will be, and you'll see that she's wearing a middle part. So I'm just going to part out 2 little sections for the baby hair, and then also some sideburns. It's that olive oil. It's like the Got To Be spray, but the olive oil brand. It works good. I'd rather stick with the Got To Be though, or bedhead spray is good too. So I'm just combing it all back. I'm gonna get ready to like tie it back so we can make sure it's melted into the skin. So I'm just getting all the hairs secured. I'm gonna pin it up. I'm gonna put this little elastic wrap that I found at the beauty supply on there, and it has Velcro on it, so you don't have to tie it or anything. Y'all, my camera kept sliding down. I don't understand what the hell, and we didn't realize. But anyway, I'm just pressing out the edges and the middle part. Hopefully that gets fixed, because I haven't seen this, but hopefully it gets fixed. But I'm just pressing out the areas right there. Okay, y'all, so I'm taking that Velcro wrap off. It really melts the hair down, so you can get that to like melt your lace, and also wear it at nighttime when you're getting ready to go to bed to like keep everything melted down. And I just removed it. I'm just about to cut the baby hair a little bit more. We had cut some baby hair before, but I'm just trying to get it how I want it. And also the sideburns I'm cutting. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just take my scissors and trim it. And also I'm just trimming that little hair in the middle. I don't know how it's like a lot of extra little hairs. I just trimmed it off in the middle. And then I'm just cutting the sideburn on this side. Okay, y'all, so I'm just taking a little edge brush and some of that olive oil. It's like the Got To Be gel, but it's the olive oil brand. I'm just taking some of that, and I'm just gonna kind of like carve out her sideburn. Normally I would do the little I would curl the little edges, but I told y'all she was trying to go somewhere, somebody's birthday or something, so we was just trying to get it done and also deliver the video, a good video this time, because the last one wasn't that great to me. So anyway, I'm just like swooping some little baby hairs on the side. I'm gonna do 2 little swoops. And this wig, of course, it could have been what is it like I could have tweezed it a lot more. I don't know why I lost my train of thought just then. Probably the smoke detector in the background. But anyway, I'm just carving out the little baby hairs. I'm going in with the blow dryer. And this phone thing just keeps sliding down. I'm going to have to get another one. And then I'm just drying it, making sure it gets pretty dry. And then that's how the little baby hair looks. I did kind of like the same on both sides. Not totally, because y'all know I'm not symmetrical, and I don't be doing stuff right sometimes, but you know, it's art. So anyway, I re-put that band back on there just to make sure everything is still being melted after using the glue, and it is. But I just put it on there, and then You can use a paper wrap on this also. But everything is totally dry before I put that thing on there. You don't want to put that on there and it's wet. Unless you got time to waste and you're going to let it sit on there a couple hours. But if you only got a few minutes, then no. Yeah, I'm going in with some of this Fantasia heat protecting spray. I think that's what it's called. And but it's at the beauty supply, so it's easy to find. She gonna wear her straight, not in the curls that they sent, because of course we washed it. But it's a body wave, so you can wear it like, you know, body wave if you want to. But I'm just going in with my 1 1/4 inch Babyliss. These suckers gonna silk out some hair, I'm telling you. Okay, y'all, so I'm just going in with a little bit more of that olive oil spray, and I'm just trying to like tame the flyaways. I straightened out the hair really good, and I'm just gonna undo this little wrap thing. Y'all, this thing really comes in handy. So they sell them at the beauty supply. I don't know what brand they use. They do come in handy. I also want to take my red tail comb, and I'm just gonna spray down the part, just to kind of like, you know, really detail the part. And then I'm just gonna go with a little alcohol. So if you got any like white residue from the gel, or any kind of stuff on the forehead, any of that black spray got anywhere it wasn't supposed to get, use a little alcohol in that piece of cap that you cut off, and then you good. And then I just sprayed a little bit more of the olive oil on there just to tame those flyaways, because there was a few flyaways on there. And I'm just combing it out. I'm about to like lift her little front part up just a little bit right there in front of the baby hair. Yeah, we really could have plucked this wig way more. We just didn't have a whole lot of time, but this is a super good quality wig, I'm telling y'all. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media. I have all the links listed below. This is the end result. Thank you guys. Leave a heart in the comments too. Bye bye.
Make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga.